Hello, today my son has a fever and have a flu. He has a cough and runny nose, so that I use very traditional method to take distilled water to discover his sick. This is lemon basil leaves. I will steam it with honey, sugar to take the distilled water. He can drink for all day with the water. I hope he can be here very soon. So after washing the lemon basil leaf, I cut it very small in a bowl.
Vừa bé người dân.
Cut all in the bowl. My first son was really like this water. It seems a little bit sweet and very good smell. Then I cut 1 foot of kumquat, sugar, just a little bit. For the kids, we use sugar. It's more interesting. They want to drink it more, just a little bit. Then honey, just pour it directly on the bowl. Start to steam it. And now let's steam it. So I start to steam it for 15 minutes. After 30 minutes steaming, I have the finished product. It's perfect. I will take a little bit for my son now. I hope he will be very well soon. For half glass of water, I take 2 spoons of this syrup.
Bố đi về.
Drink it, baby. It's hot. It's cooling.